In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flashcards using ChatGPT. Flashcards are a simple way to lock in key ideas, and ChatGPT can speed up the process by turning your source material into clear question and answer pairs. Here's how to do it smoothly and get results you can actually study from. Start by preparing your source. This can be a PDF you've been reading or any text you can copy and paste. Pull the relevant sections you want to study and paste them into ChatGPT. If the document is long, focus on one chapter or topic at a time so the content stays organized. Clean up any extra clutter like page numbers or repeated headers, and make sure the text includes definitions, key facts, and explanations you care about. The clearer the source, the better the flashcards. Next, give ChatGPT a direct instruction to create flashcards from that source. Be specific about the format you want. A simple way to say it is, please create flashcards from the text I just shared. Format them in 2 columns, one for the question and one for the answer. You can also mention the subject and level, like high school biology or introductory economics, so the questions match your needs. If your goal is quick recall, ask for short, precise answers. If your goal is understanding, invite slightly longer explanations where appropriate. Now, wait a moment while ChatGPT processes your request. You'll see the output formatted into 2 clear parts, a column of questions and a column of answers. Take a quick pass through them. Check that the questions match your learning goals and that the answers are accurate and concise. If something looks off, copy a line from your source to clarify and ask ChatGPT to correct or tighten the wording. You can refine the results further by giving a more specific prompt. For example, ask for a certain number of flashcards, request simpler language, or target a particular style such as definitions, cause and effect pairs, or step explanations. You can also ask to prioritize the most testable facts, keep answers under 1 or 2 sentences, or include brief examples only when they add clarity. If the first batch feels too easy or too hard, tell ChatGPT to adjust the difficulty and regenerate. That's it. Provide a clear source, ask ChatGPT to create flashcards in a question and answer format, review the results, and fine-tune with a specific prompt. With this simple flow, you'll build focused flashcards quickly and spend more time actually learning.